Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ng bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another video reaction na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa Filipino Singers L6 Perform All By Myself by Celine Dion auditions sa America's Got Talent 2024. So, isa na namang Pilipino, mga kababayan natin, ang magpe-perform sa international stage ng America's Got Talent 2024. So, this is audition performance ng L6. So, pagkakaalam ko guys, yung L6 is parang napanood ko na sila sa TV. Parang The Voice Generation, right? Kay Coach Estelle. And yeah, napakinggan ko na yung voice nila guys. Yung quality ng boses nila talagang sobrang ganda rin talaga ng boses. Kaya nga, nasa grupo siya ni Cap. ni Estelle, di ba? Ni Coach Estelle. So, nakalagay dito guys is family singing group L6 flew from the Philippines to achieve their dreams of performing on America's Got Talent. The group sings All By Myself by Celine Dion. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to. And tara, mag-umpisa tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara! Na-excite ako guys. Okay. Bilang tayo ng 3, 2, 1. Go. So here we go.
Hello everyone! Who are you? We are the L6 from the Philippines.
Whoa.
We are 5 siblings and our niece.
Oh, wow.
Nakasan natin.
So, what do you do in the Philippines?
We do have a small business selling gowns and clothes in the Philippines.
You did very well. You won $1 million.
Pinagpala, no? Magkakapatid sila eh.
We
No?
will buy
Tapos
a big
magaganda yung
house
boses.
for the family. Because in the Philippines, we rented a small house.
How many people live in the house?
We are 10
Dami, no?
siblings and my sister has
Nasa kultura natin mga Pilipino yung ganun, no? Yung suno-suno tayong buong pamilya.
children.
All in one house?
Yes, and our dream is to buy a big house so that
Yeah.
we can be comfortable.
What is the dream?
This is our mother's dream, our late mother's dream. And before she passed away, her dream for us is to perform on America's Got Talent.
Yes.
And this is it now.
You know, we're all rooting for you. Best of luck.
Yes.
When I was young,
Wow.
I never needed anyone.
Wow.
And making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Oh my God, the harmonizing. Sobrang ganda.
Oh, by
Wait, what's going on?
myself.
What's going on? Gumawa si Simon Cowell, oh.
Guys.
Oh my God.
Guys.
Guys, pinapahinto ni Juan. Ni Simon Cowell. Bakit kaya?
Guys.
Wow, nagbu sila. What's going on? Bakit? Simon Cowell, bakit?
There are a lot of singing groups.
Oh.
Do something which I think is going to help you. Lose the track.
Tatanggalin yung music.
Okay? Because, in my opinion,
I think-
the track was terrible.
Parang a cappella, ganun.
And there aren't that many great a cappella groups. And I think you've got the potential to be a great a cappella group.
Yes. Para mas ma-appreciate natin yung kanilang voice, kanilang vocals.
What do they put the tempo? That's gonna be hard for them. Oh my god, it'd be so funny.
Pilipino yan. Kahit walang music.
When I was young, I never needed anyone.
Oh, grabe yung voice niya, no? Ang ganda. Ano yung vocals?
Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Wow. Ang ganda.
Don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
Wow, yung harmonizing, grabe. Oh my god, it's giving me a goosebumps. Wow. 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 Galing. Wow. Whoa, standing ovations. Wow. This is so beautiful performance. Oh my god, nakaka-proud.
Wow. Simon,
You could tell instantly, this is a great
Yeah.
singing.
Yun naman pala yung point ni Mr. Simon Cowell.
How you
So, ba tayo nag-boo? Hindi natin
everything
pinatapos.
without the track. You were more unique, it was more special.
Yeah, indeed.
Memorable. And you just absolutely nailed that.
Yeah.
Sophia.
Boss is always right. Your voices didn't need all that noise behind you.
True.
I think you guys are great. People are gonna love you. I love you. They love you.
Wow.
Everyone was so important in the song, how you melted together. We didn't get started after Simon raised his hand. I mean, some people probably would just run off, you know,
Yeah.
and you just took it as a champ. And yes, he was right. It sounded amazing. Well done.
You are great at harmonizing. Each one of you has
True,
much
the
more
harmonizing
than the next.
indeed.
As soon as you took the music away, it was brilliant.
Yeah.
So we should start by
Just like
voting.
Diamond,
Giving you your first
very
yes.
for yeses.
Simon, it's unanimous. Four yeses.
Yay! Congratulations, L6. Sobrang proud kami sa inyo. So this is another beautiful performance in the international stage like this. Your edition performance is really, really beautiful. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Good job. Nakaka-proud kayo. Alright, kung ito sa inyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!